Today we're doing an unboxing of the updated version of our Let's Start bindings. These are top-level bindings for rental use and for individual riders, featuring an open-toe design. These bindings have been tested since 2024 in continuous rental and daily use at Phuket Wake Park in Thailand, where riding is possible all year round. So, what have we improved over the past 2 years? We reinforced the stitching that connects the upper boot to the base. Now we use Bondi heavy-duty thread, a polyester and nylon fiber thread that is extremely strong. It's commonly used for tents, upholstery, and sails. We also reinforce the inner heel area to prevent abrasion. The heel features cross and perpendicular stitching, which securely fixes the material inside the liner and keeps it in place. In the ankle area of the inner liner, we use EVA foam with advanced orthopedic memory. This material adapts to the rider's foot anatomy and gradually memorizes the individual ankle shape, providing a more precise and comfortable fit. An additional zinc alloy mounting plate is integrated inside. It ensures a maximal tight and stable connection between the binding and the board and evenly distributes the load from the screws. This reduces the risk of damage and breakage of plastic elements. The outer Let's Start boot is made from PSI synthetic leather-like material. It looks premium and highlights the elegant style of the model. Thanks to the dense PSI material and smart construction, the binding holds the foot firmly, providing maximum support and fixation. The inner liner uses sandwich mesh fabric on the outside, a multi-layer mesh structure that combines density, durability, and comfort. It ensures even pressure distribution without hard pressure points, good ventilation, fast moisture wicking, shape retention, and high durability even under aggressive riding. The inside of the liner is made from a combination of lycra and synthetic rubber, providing high comfort and durability during regular riding. The strap hooks and loops are made of stainless steel, ensuring high strength and reliability of the fastening system. In previous versions, less durable components were used, which could break under load. In the current version, this issue has been fully solved. The straps are made from thermoplastic polyurethane, TPU, a strong and wear-resistant material ideally suited for wakeboarding. These straps don't stretch over time. Unlike softer materials, they keep their shape and securely fix the foot. They are comfortable, water-resistant, and withstand heavy loads. You can check our strap test videos. I personally hung on them, and they didn't tear. The logo is made as a chenille patch on soft, elastic synthetic leather. Despite the medium stiffness and strong fixation, we added anatomical cutouts in the bindings so you can comfortably squat and bend your knees. This cutout reduces excessive pressure when flexing the ankle. The rear straps feature a stylized Let's Start logo. The logos are printed on reinforced high-strength webbing. The print is waterproof and wear-resistant, designed for long-term use. At the bottom, we use an EVA footbed, which allows the bindings to be securely mounted to any board with a standard mounting system. The EVA footbed eliminates lift between the board and the boot, provides direct board control, helps absorb small impacts and vibrations from chop, and increases overall riding comfort. A precisely engineered pattern design and accurate seam finishing ensure high durability of the boot in all stress zones. At the base of the boot, we use an anatomical ultra-light EVA footbed, developed in-house. This footbed effectively absorbs heavy impacts on landings and reduces load on the musculoskeletal system. It dampens hard landings and vibrations, protecting your knees and back during aggressive riding. It anatomically distributes pressure correctly and is super lightweight, so it doesn't add extra weight to the binding. We also include small spacers in the kit for more secure mounting. These washers allow higher tightening torque and create additional friction between the washer and the base. They prevent bolts from loosening on their own and protect the binding components from micro movements. The kit includes standard mounting bolts with blue thread locker applied, which prevents the bolts from loosening. And of course, we also include 6 spare straps, just in case yours start to wear out. Although, as I said, I personally hung on these straps, and they didn't tear.